You've just deployed your HMI project. Everything is wired in and connected, and the project manager is standing over your shoulder when errors start to pop up. The C-more simulator helps identify and correct these issues earlier in the development process when changes are still quick and easy to make. The simulator can be used to test screen navigation, object behavior, and many project functions without loading the application into a physical panel. Let's see how the simulator can be used to identify and correct issues before deployment. From the Home ribbon, click Simulation. The target C-more panel model will be displayed. Click Start. Two windows will open. The simulation window shows how the project will appear on the HMI, while the simulation control window allows tags and screen data to be manipulated for testing. The simulator does not access or communicate with external devices, so all value changes are affected here. The first step is to test screen navigation. Click here to switch to screen 2. Then click here to return to the home screen. Click here to switch to screen 3 and... wait, that navigated to screen 2 again. The button must not be configured correctly. Close the simulator to return to the development environment. Open the button's properties and yes, it is configured incorrectly. Check the same button on screen 2. That one also needs to be corrected. Run the simulator again. It appears that all navigation buttons are now working properly. Next, test some of the elements on this page. Clicking an object simulates a touch press. It appears that either this switch or the associated indicator is configured incorrectly. The switch appears to be configured properly. Opening the indicator object, there's the problem. The wrong tag was assigned. This should correct the issue. If simulation is clicked again while the simulator is running, the simulator will reload with the latest changes. Everything now appears to be functioning properly. Now move to the last page. Use the simulation control window to adjust the values and see them reflected in both the meter and the trend object. If you have any questions, the technical support team offers many paths to assistance. Click the link in the description to explore those options, give us a phone call, or simply drop a question into the comments section. Make simulator testing part of your development process, and you can validate your project's navigation, tag addressing, and screen behavior before even downloading it to a panel.